Last time, we worked on element 3, the entry field. This time, we'll turn element 4 into a button. We need this button to open a file since our scripts are saved in text file. Just to save time, I've written the code here. Here, I just uncomment it and comment out the original one. It's now a custom Tkinter button where its master is root. That is the window frame and its display text is open file. The command here requires that in the element, you need to create a corresponding function under click event. Here we create the open file function. Let's say we put this is a button. Let's try run it. Control F5. Now let's take a look at element 4 and it becomes a button. When I click open file, it will show this is the button because it's stated above. That's what you see whenever you click it. But what I want is open a file dialog, so wipe it out. Under open file, create a source file is equal to file dialog. This file dialog isn't imported to the template. It's coming from the Tkinter package. You can either append TK in front of it every time or go back on top and add back this line of code from Tkinter import file dialog. So you only need to type file dialog. There's a method called askOpenFileName. Here we specify the file types to load text files. The extension is like this, comma, and we also include all files. That's what we've done so far. If the file has something, you type not none. Your content will then be equal to path. This path is already imported in a template. We read the source file name with the path and read the text inside the file. There will be more stuff inside, but now we only print the file content, which is this one. So far, we've learned how to make element 4 a button. Its master is root and it displays open file. When you click the button element 4, it will trigger the click event open file. This command is tied to this function. They are both named open file. It will open a dialog box and read the file content. Once I get the element and click event done, I need to specify element 4's location under layout. Since element 4's location is already defined, simply Ctrl S, save it, and Ctrl F5 to run it. Element 4 is now on the second row, row 1, and the first column, column 0. Go back and hit open file, and the file dialog pops up. Let's pick the account logic text file. It will be reading the file's content and print it out down in the terminal. Open it and you should see in the terminal there are the file contents. Close it. In the next video, we'll export whatever is read from the file to a text box for preview.